Oh God. Got the shop in.
I'm on in. Come on in.
Well, let's do it. Obviously, I know I'm cooking for you and the family today, so I thought go to the high street and get some beautiful, cost-effective ingredients to make a beautiful meal that don't cost too much.
I appreciate it.
Doing this shop, thinking about your family, how does that work for you every week?
We get the kids involved. They help pick it. Also, kind of teaches them about money and the fact that we have to pay. So, what are you gonna make with all this?
I'm gonna make for you and your amazing family a Mexican one-pot chicken and black bean stew.
It's already got all
Are
of
you
it.
feeling the little salsa vibes? How was it? It's there. Time effective, cost effective, flavor effective, everything you want from a dish. Gonna get this chicken in, skin down. So obviously right now, things cost more than they used to.
Yeah.
So what would be your advice for people and their families being cost effective with their money?
What we've done in our house is look at what are the meals that we're gonna have and then shop to our meals.
Plan forward,
rather than just buying what we used to buy before. And then also we look at how can we make them cheaper? So are there different proteins that we can use? Can some of these meals be over a couple of days? Yeah, but planning is everything and you'll save yourself a lot of money.
Yeah, if you fail to plan,
You plan to fail.
you're done not.
Come on, my brother, we can do the thing is.
Come on, dog.
The thing is.
What we have here is our onions and garlic. This is gonna sweat down, create the base of our flavor. When it comes to cooking, sometimes when I'm outside, man, I'm in the supermarket and I'm just lost. I always forget what I have in the yard and I end up double buying things.
It's so important. Open the cupboards. My kids do a raid. It's like a game. Go through cupboards. What can you see? What do we need? We have a list. Tick it so we know what we need. And so it's a good way to save money, a good way to make sure that you're not spending when you don't need to. Do you know what I mean?
100%. We're gonna go in with these, all the juice as well.
Wow.
Give that stir, chef.
Yes, chef.
The way you stir, I can tell you don't do this.
Hold
Hold
it. Oh,
it.
you got to grips it up.
Grips it, bro.
Oh, grips it.
There we go. Most of the heat comes from the seeds. But if the seeds ain't going in there, you're not gonna get all that heat. Give the beans a little mash. Just a little one. Now it's gonna help give us different textures of the beans.
Zuu, talking about budgeting.
I've got better at it. More and more, I've learned to understand what can I spend this month, what can I enjoy, what can I not enjoy, and what can I put away. When it comes to budgeting, what kind of tips can you give the people then?
Great tip is that your banking app, a lot of these apps can help you do that. So it's not like you have to now go and start learning spreadsheets and all of this type of stuff and be some math.
I ain't gonna go get a degree in economics.
Nah, you ain't gotta be that guy.
Because they got breakdowns of your spend. They let you know how much money you spend on food, how much money you spend on your bills. So use that as a reflection of where you should save your money.
Exactly.
You're like a guru.
I try my best, trying to be like you.
Let's start making a little salsa now. I'm not talking two-step. No. I'm talking a punchy salsa to go with that. Look at that. Fresh little salsa with the most simple ingredients. If you're trying to cook on a budget and you're trying to make things work, especially in times like this, sometimes you got to go with the own brand. Get that own brand baked bean. Get that own brand ketchup.
What do you think about the yellow stickers?
It's just as good and you're going to save money. I feel like we're good here now.
I think we're ready.
It's time to serve up.
Come on.
My brother.
Big you are, man. Love it. Oh my goodness.
Oh, little.
Come on.
Oh my.
So my tongue is doing it.
Spicy, punchy, fresh. We use all the ingredients. No waste at all. All right, is it time to feed the fam?
You gotta be feeling like a chef.
Ready?
Ready.
Let's do it, man. It's time. Oh, they're ready for the flavors, boy.
Come on, guys. Dinner ready.
I pull up. Let's do this.
You're gonna love it.